Now children, question number 49, page 3.142. Again the same question, but now only the journal entries will be shown in the books of accounts. Now you all know, because the revised syllabus has been forwarded to you all in the groups, that in admission of a partner, the balance sheet has been deleted. Preparation of the balance sheet that we did yesterday, it has been deleted. Now it becomes mandatory that, not mandatory, now what are the options left? Now there are just two options left. One is that leaving the balance sheet, we will prepare all the accounts and we will show the working notes. That is all the 8 steps will be shown. Then the second option is that only the balance sheet, only the journal entries will be asked in the question. Now the initial journal entries we have already done. Now the left journal entries are regarding the revaluation account. Only those entries will be passed and the question will be solved. That's all. Now see, the first entry will be for the treatment of goodwill. Same thing, cash account will be debited rupees 40,000. To seize capital account 30,000. To premium for goodwill account 10,000. This is the amount of goodwill and cash that the new partner is bringing in the pot. Being cash brought by C for capital rupees 30,000 and share of goodwill rupees 10,000. Now the premium for goodwill is to be distributed among the partners, therefore it will be debited. It will be deleted from the books. To W's capital account 6,000. To R's capital account 4,000. Being premium for goodwill credited to the partners in sacrificing ratio 3:2. Then half of the amount of the goodwill has been withdrawn by the partners. So the third entry will be the partners' capital account will be debited because they are withdrawing the amount of goodwill. W's capital account debit 3,000. R's capital account debit 2,000. To cash account, cash is going out, therefore it will be created rupees 5,000. Being half of the premium for goodwill withdrawn by partners. Now the fourth entry, general reserve account debit 5,000. To W's capital account 3,000. To R's capital account 2,000. It will be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. Being general reserve distributed to old partners in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Now the fifth journal entry, revaluation account debit 9,300. All those things that were debited to revaluation account, they will be shown over here, and as they have been debited to revaluation account, so revaluation account will be debited rupees 9,300. This is the total of all these 5 entries that were posted in revaluation account. What were they? To bad debts 1,500. To stock account 2,000. To furniture account 500. To plant and machinery account 3,200. To unrecorded creditors account 2,100. Bad debt is the loss of debtors. Our value of debtor will decrease, therefore it has been taken away. You are debited to the valuation account, and when we will prepare, we will pass the journal entry, the valuation account will be debited. 1,500. Stock was depreciated by 10%. The original value of stock was 20,000. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. furniture, the amount to be deducted was given rupees 500. So to furniture account 500. Plant and machinery was to be depreciated at the rate 8%. 8% of 40,000. 40,000 was the book value of plant and machinery. 8% of 40,000 is 3,200. Then unrecorded creditors 2,100. These were the creditors which were not recorded in the books, not shown in the balance sheet, but they are to be recorded. Therefore, they are unrecorded creditors. So a liability is increasing. It will also be debit. So total of this comes to 9,300 and the valuation account will be debited by rupees 9,300. Now the sixth entry. Now all those things which were credited to the valuation account, they all will be debited and the valuation account will be credited. So over here, provision for bad and doubtful debts account debit 1,175. The provision given in the balance sheet on the liability side was 2,000 and the provision that we calculated, 18,000 was our debtors. 18,000 was our debtors. Out of this 1,500 was the bad debts. Balance left is 16,500 and on this 16,500, 5% was the provision for bad and doubtful debt. That comes to 825. So that 825 was shown over here. 2,000 was the provision given in the balance sheet minus 825. It comes to 1,175. This 1,175 will be debited because the liability is decreasing by rupees 1,170. Then outstanding salaries bill was 3,000, which was to be paid off. Therefore, again the liability is going to decline. So 3,000 will be debit. Investments which were not shown in the books of account, they will be shown. So 2,500 will be debit. Total of this comes to 6,675. And this appeared on the credit side of the revaluation account. Therefore, revaluation account will be created by rupees 6,675. Last entry will be to record the profit or loss on revaluation account. There was a loss of 2,625 and it will be distributed among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio that was 3:2. So this will be distributed among them. 1,575 will be the new share and 1,050 cash.